Hi guys, welcome to the full stack edited channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about another XPath function, which is like it starts with. So basically, starts with is another XPath function which is mainly used for finding dynamic web elements, right? So what happens sometimes is like some of the attribute like ID, it starts with some static portion of the complete value, right? So the rest portion is dynamic. So whenever we refresh the page, the page gets loaded each time, right? So the id gets changed, right? But some of the portion of the id is static. So what happens is like whenever we try to inspect and identify the x path, so it doesn't match each time, right? So what we have to do is like we have to make use of this x path function which it starts with, right? And we have to use relative x path double forward slash using the tab name, then it starts with attribute name and the value. So whatever the static portion of it is there, right? So it will be captured, and the rest it does not impact much because we are doing the matching of the XPath expression using the static portion of it, right? So you can see like this is the password field ID, right? But the rest of the portion it is getting changed. So let us go to the demo website and try to understand how this works, right? So let me go to the demo website. So we are on Swag Labs demo website. Let me inspect this, right? So let me try to inspect this username, and over here you can see like this id name is there, right? But here we do not have any like dynamic thing here. So let me manually add some of the numbers over here, right? Just to show you guys in this example, right? And let me form the xpath. So we'll say like double forward slash, and then we have like what is the tag name here? So tag name is input at, then we have a start with, right? And then places at id, right? And then it starts with user dash name, right? And close the braces. So you can see it is matching. So even though like this id is getting changed each time, right? These numbers are getting changed each time whenever we refresh the page, right? But we are able to inspect and identify is uniquely here, right? You can see one of one matching node here. And whenever there is like this kind of id you see in the application, then you can make use of this starts with function, so which will uniquely identify this xpath or the id value that we are trying to inspect, right? So similarly, let me try to find out the uh, this XPath for this password. Let me put in some random number over here just for the example, right? So let me put in this as password. And what happens is like this numbers getting changed each time whenever we refresh the page, right? But the starting portion of it is like static. So we can make use of this starts with functions. It starts with function works in such a way like whatever the starting portion of the id is static, so we can pass that value, and rest portion is like the dynamic part, right? So you can see like the starting portion of the X path is like ID is constant here, but the rest of the portion is changing, right? So this is how the starts with X path function works. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.